Hey there, welcome to our comprehensive review of Tradelle, the ultimate tool for dropshippers. Today we are diving deep into this powerful platform to uncover its features, pricing, user experience, and more. Let's explore why Tradelle might be the game-changing for your dropshipping business needs. Tradelle isn't just another product research tool. It's all-in-one solutions designed to streamline and optimize every aspect of your dropshipping journey. At its core is a vast product database hosting millions of items sourced from various catalogs including AliExpress. With advanced filtering options, you can pinpoint products based on sales volume, profitability, and performance metrics. But what sets Tradelle apart are its intelligent tools and in-depth analysis. From trend analysis to comprehensive insights into product performance, Tradelle empowers dropshippers to make data-driven decisions and capitalize on emerging opportunities in the market. As a dropshipper myself, I took Tradelle for a test drive. While its features are undeniably powerful, I will be honest, there is a bit of a learning curve for new users. Navigating the platform and understanding its full potential may take some time. However, once you familiarize yourself with Tradelle, you will unlock a treasure trove of insights and opportunities for your businesses. Now let's talk about customer support. While Tradelle hosts excellent support resources including email, FAQs, and live chat, I did experience some delays in response times. When assistance was provided, it was thorough and helpful, showcasing the platform's commitment to user satisfactions. Pricing-wise, Tradelle offers 3 plans to cater to different needs. There is a 7-day free trial for newcomers to test the waters, followed by a monthly subscription at around $40 and a yearly subscriptions at $30 around per month. While these prices might not be the most budget-friendly, the value and features offered by Tradelle justify the investment. Plus, with a 7-day money-back guarantee, you can try Tradelle risk-free and see if it aligns with your business goal. There is no doubt that Tradelle is a comprehensive and reliable platform that can take your dropshipping business to new heights. With its extensive product database, advanced analytics, and dedicated support, Tradelle equips you with the tools and insights needed to thrive in today's competitive marketplace. Are you ready to supercharge your dropshipping businesses? Give Tradelle a try and unlock the potential for success. Find the link in the descriptions and sign up now. And thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.